Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today we'll do love messages from your partner, reading on love messages from your partner, what love messages your partner wants to give, and what are the feelings, what are they feeling for you, what are the true love messages for you. And this is a general reading for all the signs, so it may or may not resonate with you. Okay guys, so let's see what are the love messages from your person for you. Love messages from your person for you. Okay, we got two cards. First is new life. Oh wow, we got soulmates. Okay, so guys, maybe you are dealing with your soulmate, your twin flame, okay? And this partner really considers you their soulmate. They feel that soul connection with you. This partner knows that you are their soulmate, okay? And you have key to their heart. And this partner like loves you crazily. This partner loves you immensely. This partner has lots of feeling for you, okay? And this partner wants this new beginning with you. We are this new life. This partner wants to start this new life with you, this new adventure with you. This if you guys had a fight or had some arguments, or you were on a break or something, this partner definitely wants to start this new beginning, have this new beginning, this new they want to say sorry, they want to say I love you, but they want to start all fresh with you. Let's see more love messages. Poised. So this partner considers you very poised, very elegant. This partner thinks that you are quite balanced personality. You handle every situation with a smile on your face, and whatever challenges were there in this relationship, you have handled it very well. So this partner really appreciates you for that. Serendipity. So this partner is planning something unexpected surprise for you, okay? This partner is really planning to come unexpectedly in your life, okay? Or to just surprise you, give you a surprise visit, or surprisingly they will call you or they'll message you, but something related to that you have not expected from this partner, or their behavior will change suddenly for you. They'll start behaving very nice, very romantically. They'll start treating you well. Something unexpected is going to happen in this relationship. Let's see more. We have mending. Wow. So this partner really wants to mend things with you. This partner really wants to sort out everything, and there should be an equal give and take. You both will mend this relationship equally. You both will invest in this relationship, okay? Oh wow, we have TikTok. So yeah, there's a divine timing that's playing a role here. Divine timing's role is quite important here, okay? And whatever is happening in your relationship, and whatever good will happen in your relationship will happen on divine time, okay? So you guys will unite on divine time, and divine timing is here because you guys are in a soulmate relationship, and in soulmate relationship there is always a divine timing that is playing role always, okay? So you have to trust the divine timing. Let's see more love messages from your person. So we have the gardener. So this is a card of divine masculine. So definitely this partner wants this abundance. This partner wants to work out things with you, okay? This partner is ready to put all this hard work, efforts for you in this relationship. Wow, we have this partner wants to plan a date with you, or wants to take you on a date on a beautiful, or at like on a beach or a sunset with wine, love letter, music, flowers, everything, okay? So this partner really wants to make you feel special, make you feel that you both have that connection, and this partner really feels that strong romantic connection with you. So this is a very special relationship. Wow, again we have card of soulmate, guy. This is like a true soulmate twin flame connection. That's why we have this card of divine timing. So whatever whatever will happen with you in the future, whatever, like your union, it will happen on divine time, okay? Because you guys are in a twin flame journey, you guys are in a soulmate journey, so you have to face some challenges, but definitely you guys will get this spiritual maturity, you guys will connect with divine, you guys will understand your worth, this partner will understand your worth, and you have this connection, okay? You have this connection, you have this true romantic soulmate spiritual connection. So this is very important. Let's see. Yeah, there are a lot of challenges. Maybe people are against you, or there are some blockages in this relationship, or maybe your families are against. But this partner will not give up on you. This partner will take stand for you, no matter how many challenges or hardships. But this partner will marry you, and they'll not give up on you. We have the judgment, yeah. So you have to wait for this judgment, for this divine timing, for this right timing, for divine to make judgment. And yes, divine will make judgment in your favor only. Okay, we have family wishes come true. Definitely, whatever wishes you are making for this relationship, that will definitely come true. News of a birth or a new business opportunity, definitely, there will be a new birth, a new start in this relationship. Okay, there will be like a new, totally new beginning in this relationship. Getting together with friends, so maybe your friends could help you in this relationship. You are on the road to success. Definitely, this relationship will lead you to success. Okay, because this relationship is so special, so divine, so beautiful. Okay, you are soulmates. Okay, you are like made for each other, guys. Okay, so guys, this is your reading. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.